Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Alright, let's fly the eSky 150X V2 and see how good it is, how easy it is to fly, and how stable it is. I've been having some fun with these helicopters lately. As always, I have to test the product before making a review and see if it is worthy to review or not. And honestly, this has been worthy, very worthy helicopter. I have been having a lot of fun. So first off, just plug the battery in. These are really tiny batteries, so you have to be very careful with the connector seating, because if you somehow messed up the connector seating, you will be having connectors inside, those pins inside, and you'll be having troubles. So battery installation is easy, sits very well. After you install the batteries, you will see the green light blinking. That means the helicopter needs to bind with the radio. That's easy. So this is the newest radio control. You have already seen it with frequency hopping spread spectrum technology. Very nice. So hold the rudder trimmer to right and press the on off button, and you can see the green light goes off. This means the radio is bound to the helicopter. Now simply turn on the radio by pressing and holding the on off button, and you will see a solid green light there. That means your helicopter is bound to the radio, and you will hear the servos buzzing. Okay, so you can move it. Okay, you can see the swatch plate moves, but there is no throttle because that is the safety protection there. Motors are not armed initially. You have to arm the motors by holding the rudder to the right for the mode left. Okay, and you see the blue LED blinks, and your helicopter is ready to fly. All right, so let's give it a fly, shall we? Just take off by increasing the throttle to 40%, and if the trims are set properly, this helicopter flies almost hands-free. So you can see here, at the moment it's drifting backward, but now it stops. So you see how hands-free this helicopter is. I can still set trims more, but this is more than enough for beginners. I mean, more than enough time for beginners to think and react. So it gives you a lot of thinking time. Flying it is a breeze. You can fly it forward, just push a little bit forward on the stick and control with the rudder and roll banking. Controls are pretty nice on this one. At the moment it is in indoor flight mode. That means there isn't much angle of attack compared to the outdoor flight mode. Outdoor, of course, you have winds, so you will need more angle of attack. Flies super nice. I simply love the way it flies, and the controls are simply very good. I can simply follow it this way and get you all dizzy. Actually getting myself dizzy too. Yeah, I am getting very dizzy, just like the pilot is dizzy in this helicopter now. The stability of this helicopter is what you will appreciate and you will love, because this makes it very much beginner friendly to fly. It's a fixed pitch rotor blades helicopter, so more the throttle, more the altitude, lower the throttle, lower the altitude, and that's where you will have to learn to control throttle. They haven't given you the altitude hold in this one at the moment. If they can give you an altitude hold using the CC3D in there, you will simply fall in love with this helicopter, because it will be super duper easy to fly. It's already is very easy to fly. I mean, before the V1 version 1, my 6-year-old Irish could actually easily fly it. Now we have 2 of these V2, so I can teach him to fly this, and we can go for a simple helicopter, compact eSky 150 micro Airwolf combat at home, or we can just have fun chasing each other outdoors. Man, what a nice little micro Airwolf. I'm already a fan of Airwolf movie and Airwolf Helicopter, and this is by far one of the best micro Airwolf you will ever get your hands on. I may just go follow it. That will be fun. I can fly it in different rooms, confined rooms, compact or cramped rooms, like this little main cave right here. It is absolutely a stable helicopter, very, very stable helicopter to fly anywhere. Even the small rooms, offices, you can actually easily fly it. So I'm actually bringing it to different rooms. I'm having some wind attack maybe. This bedroom is ready for my mom. She's arriving tomorrow and I'm very, very happy. Okay, let's go back to the same room. Lights are blinking inside the helicopter. That means that we are running out of battery. And once you're running out of battery, helicopter will automatically descend for a landing. So we will give it a landing all by ourselves. Before the landing, we can actually drive it also. Ooh, nice. I'm drifting actually. Oh, there are tanks here. Careful. Yes, we are running out of battery. I can hear it. That's why we cannot take off. So we'll just land it. I'm not worried. I actually have another battery here. And basically, Zonda Hobby has been very, very kind, and they send me a lot of these batteries, so I can actually fly them again and again and over and over and over again. And these helicopters, man, you should fly them again and again and over again, because that's how you will learn flying these. Okay, so we are connected. Now, in order to fly it outdoors, there's a button here on top left corner of the radio. Just press it once and you will hear 2 beeps. You'll have more angle of attack and you can fly it outdoors. And that's what we are going to do, because outdoor is right there and there's slight wind there. I hope I don't lose the helicopter. So anyway, give it a try first. So let's open the window. Ah, nice and sunny. I should go out and fly some FPV. All right, and arm, it's working. All right, take off. Awesome. And now I'm gonna switch to outdoor mode and bring this boy out of this window. And here we go. Such a small helicopter, it's really hard to see it. Come on, give me more altitude, don't go down. So you see how well it's flying. Now we are climbing up, going farther. I don't want to lose the helicopter, so I'll bring it in. But as you can see, it flies super nice outdoors, even in indoors mode, because today I don't have much wind. I have to make it more stable to bring it inside. Haha, we didn't lose the helicopter. That was nice. Oh, no. Watch it, watch it, watch it. Watch the window opening. And there we go, out again. And we are coming in again. Easy, easy, don't hit, because after hitting the window you will fall down. and it will be difficult to go down and pick it up. Alright, so let me land and have some fun inside again. Uh-oh, the window is closed already.
Come on, you know what to do. Hit that like button. It's right there. I know you can do it. Oh, while you're at it, also hit the subscribe button. Right there. Come on, don't be shy. Just hit it. Thank you very much for all your support towards my work, that I post regular and fresh content on my channel just for you. Hit that like button right there.